Hey, Dr. Will Lee here. I am at the market once again, and I want to show you a couple of things that I found that I think is worthy of sharing with you. Okay, so I don't go around trashing other people's products, but I want to show you amazing things that I'm actually looking at. Check this out, kale, right? Kale is a brassica. It contains healthy bioactives like isothiocyanates, hard to pronounce, ITCs. They create sulforaphanes, and the things that make broccoli taste kind of sulfury. But it's really good for you. It's good for your immune system, good for cancer fighting, good for your circulation, good for your gut microbiome. Most of these kale has rich dietary fiber.
Imagine waking up each morning feeling vibrant, energized, and ready to seize the day, as if time itself were bending in your favor. What if the secret to that vitality lies not in some distant laboratory, but in the choices you make every single day? Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned physician and scientist, has spent decades uncovering how the body's own stem cells can unlock a fountain of youth, helping you feel stronger, sharper, and more alive. This is not about chasing impossible dreams or relying on complicated procedures. It is about practical, life-changing wisdom you can start using today to support your body's natural ability to repair, renew, and thrive. Picture sipping a warm, ruby red smoothie bursting with sweet berries or savoring a crisp, earthy salad that does more than nourish, it actively helps your body rebuild itself. Ready to discover how to tap into this power? Let's dive into Dr. Lee's insights and explore how you can harness stem cells to reverse aging, one delicious, intentional choice at a time. Stem cells are the body's master builders, tight architects that repair tissues, regenerate organs, and keep you feeling youthful. As we age, these cells slow down, but Dr. Lee's research reveals that everyday habits can recharge them. Think of your body as a garden. With the right care, nutrients, movement, rest, it flourishes. Neglect it, and the weeds take over. What are you doing today to tend your garden? Dr. Lee emphasizes that food is one of the most powerful tools to awaken stem cells. Take berries, for instance. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not just sweet bursts of flavor. They are packed with compounds like anthocyanins that protect and stimulate stem cells. Picture a summer morning, the sun warming your face as you blend a handful of juicy berries into a smoothie. That simple act is like sending a wake-up call to your body's repair crew. Dr. Lee often shares a story about his patient, Maria, a 52-year-old teacher who felt drained by mid-afternoon, her joints aching and her energy sapped. She thought exhaustion was just part of getting older. Then, under Dr. Lee's guidance, Maria started small, a daily smoothie with berries, spinach, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Within weeks, she noticed a shift. Her energy steadied, her skin glowed, and she felt a spark she had not felt in years. Maria's story is a reminder that transformation does not require drastic measures. It starts with what is on your plate. Why not try adding a handful of berries to your breakfast tomorrow? Your stem cells will thank you. Beyond food, movement is another key to unlocking stem cells. Exercise is not about running marathons or lifting heavy weights. It is about consistent, joyful activity. Dr. Lee points to studies showing that even moderate exercise, like a brisk 30-minute walk, boosts stem cell activity in muscles and bones. Imagine strolling through a park, leaves crunching underfoot, the air crisp and invigorating. That walk is not just clearing your mind, it is signaling your stem cells to get to work, repairing tiny damages and strengthening your body. Dr. Lee recalls a patient, James, a 60-year-old retiree who started walking daily after years of a sedentary life. At first, James could barely manage 10 minutes without feeling winded. But over months, those walks became his sanctuary. He dropped 20 pounds, his knees stopped aching, and he felt decades younger. What is one small way you could move your body today? Maybe a walk around the block or a gentle stretch while listening to your favorite song. Sleep, often overlooked, is another cornerstone of Dr. Lee's approach. Stem cells do their best work when you are resting. Think of sleep as the quiet hours when your body's repair crew clocks in. Skimp on it, and the work stalls. Dr. Lee suggests aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, creating a nighttime routine that feels like a warm embrace. Dim the lights, sip a soothing chamomile tea, and let the world fade away. He shares a personal anecdote about his own struggle with sleep during his medical training, burning the candle at both ends. It was not until he prioritized rest that he felt his focus and energy soar. What is one thing you could do tonight to make your bedroom a haven for sleep? Maybe swap your phone for a book, or try a few deep breaths before closing your eyes. Stress, on the other hand, is like a storm that scatters your stem cells' efforts. Chronic stress floods the body with cortisol, which can suppress stem cell function. Dr. Lee encourages simple mindfulness practices to calm the mind and support regeneration. Picture sitting by a window, the morning light soft and golden, as you take 5 minutes to breathe deeply, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. That pause is not just calming, it is helping your stem cells thrive. Dr. Lee often recommends gratitude journaling, a practice he learned from a patient named Sarah, a 45-year-old nurse. Sarah started writing 3 things she was thankful for each day, even on tough days. Over time, she noticed her stress levels dropped and her energy improved. Could you take a moment today to jot down one thing you are grateful for? It might just be the spark your body needs. Now, let's talk about specific foods that act like rocket fuel for your stem cells. Beyond berries, Dr. Lee highlights dark leafy greens like kale and spinach, which are rich in nutrients that support cell repair. Imagine a lunch bowl vibrant with emerald greens, crunchy walnuts, and a drizzle of olive oil that glistens in the light. That meal is not just satisfying, it is a gift to your body's renewal system. Foods like salmon with its omega-3 fatty acids and green tea with its potent antioxidants also make the list. Dr. Lee recalls a dinner with friends where he savored a grilled salmon fillet, its flaky texture paired with a side of steamed broccoli. He felt not just full but alive, knowing he was fueling his body's resilience. What is one stem cell-friendly food you could add to your next meal? Maybe a handful of spinach in your sandwich or a cup of green tea in the afternoon. Hydration is another unsung hero. Water keeps your cells plump and active, ready to do their job. Dr. Lee suggests aiming for 8 glasses a day, perhaps with a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Picture a tall glass of water, beads of condensation sliding down the side, quenching not just your thirst, but your body's deepest needs. He shares a tip from his own routine, keeping a water bottle on his desk as a constant reminder. How often do you reach for water instead of soda or coffee? Try setting a goal to sip water throughout the day and notice how your body responds. Let's pause for a moment. Are you feeling inspired to make a small change yet? Dr. Lee's wisdom is not about overhauling your life overnight. It is about small, intentional steps that add up to big results. Think of it as a journey we are all on together, discovering how to live with more vitality and joy. Why not share your thoughts in the comments below? Maybe you have a favorite smoothie recipe or a go-to way to unwind. Your story could inspire someone else. And if you are finding this valuable, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let's build a community of people passionate about living their best lives, supporting each other every step of the way. As we weave these habits into our lives, Dr. Lee reminds us to stay curious and patient. Stem cells do not transform your body overnight, but their work compounds over time. He often compares it to planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it will grow. One of his patients, Linda, a 58-year-old librarian, embodies this. Linda started incorporating Dr. Lee's tips: more greens, daily walks, better sleep after feeling sluggish for years. At first, the changes were subtle. But after 6 months, she felt like a new person. Her energy was steady, her mind clearer, and she even started painting again, a hobby she had abandoned. Linda's story shows that consistency is the key. What is one small habit you could commit to for the next week? Maybe it is drinking an extra glass of water or taking a 5-minute walk. Start there and watch the magic unfold. Dr. Lee also emphasizes the power of community. Sharing meals, laughing with friends, or even joining a walking group can amplify your efforts. Social connections reduce stress and create a sense of purpose, which indirectly supports stem cell health. Picture a cozy dinner with loved ones, the table alive with colorful dishes and warm conversation. That joy is medicine. Dr. Lee recalls a community garden he visited, where neighbors grew vegetables together, their hands in the soil, their laughter filling the air. Those moments of connection were as vital as the food they grew. Who could you share a healthy meal or a walk with this week? Reach out, make a plan, and feel the difference. As we wrap up, let's hold on to this truth. You have the power to support your body's renewal every single day. Dr. Lee's wisdom is a roadmap guiding you toward a life that feels vibrant and full. It is not about perfection, it is about progress. Start with one change today. Maybe it is blending that berry smoothie, lacing up your sneakers for a walk, or turning off your phone an hour earlier tonight. Each choice is a step toward a healthier, younger feeling you. You are not alone on this journey. We are in this together, learning, growing, and thriving. So, what is your next step? Share it in the comments below. Your ideas might spark someone else's transformation. And if this video resonated with you, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's create a community where we lift each other up, sharing tips, stories, and encouragement. Here is to a life filled with energy, purpose, and joy. Start today, and let's make every moment count.